Mercedes E53 AMG. Now, once we've done those two, we start the vehicle up. System comes on, same applies. If we try to drive, we'll shut the vehicle down. If we restart your engine, if we enter our demonstration password, we get two flashes on the bottom right hand corner. That now allows us to submit the code and drive the vehicle. As you can see here, forward, reverse, all applies. As soon as you switch the vehicle off, the ghost is automatically applied and activated again with the password.